If a patient presents to us that is missing multiple teeth, again, we will do an examination of the area, make sure that the gum tissue is healthy, and we're going to take what we call a CBCT scan, so we can get a 3D image of the bone in those areas to determine how many implants we need to place and in what location we need to place those. But I would recommend looking at placing implants and a multiple unit bridge to restore that space rather than a really long bridge, in which case we have to cut on the teeth on each side of the space, and I would rather not damage those teeth by the preparations. So give us a call, let us give you an examination, and we can determine what your needs are.